Man, I gotta start doing better intros. Anyways, what's up? It's Walter here. Just got a new car part here, from American Muscle, and these are gonna be replacing these lights right here. They look so dim and yellow. Ugh. And these are blue. They're gonna look pretty fire, I think. Okay, they just turn off. That's good, so I don't burn my hands off. But yeah, let's start doing it. I've never done this before. I heard you just get the flat head here. Let me turn this on a little bit so you can see. Get a flat head through here so this can come down. But I'm gonna do another DIY video because, you know, a video from a video. But let's see how this goes. So yeah. All right, y'all. I finally got it off. It's just hanging right here. I don't want to turn on the light because I'm letting it cool off right now. I know it's nighttime, you can barely see it, but yeah. I'm just gonna let this cool off for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put the new lights on. And let's see how they look. I'm gonna start unboxing it too. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we're finally done. That was a pain in the butt, but we were finally done. This is literally super cool. The blue neon lights here, that looks so cool. Next up, a lot of y'all have been asking me to do this, so I'm gonna take out the front license plate holder. All right, y'all asked for it, so I'm gonna do it. If I can find it. There it is. Oh, no, there it is. Sorry guys, it is nighttime, as you can tell, obviously, but it's harder to see. Alright, I'm doing this one-handed, man. Let's see, where is it? I keep losing it. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so one. And then two. You'll get the idea. I'll remove it. Alright, y'all, so it is removed. That looks cool. Alright, thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.